Do you need someone? Are you scared of what's to come? If you leave, then who will the next one be? Will he do the same, or will he let you see? You don't have to hurt, you don't have to hurt anymore. With a little time, take a look and find what you're searching for. You are broken on the floor, and you're crying, crying. He has done this all before, but you're lying, lying.
You sat there
to yourself that he'll find out that he will change.
Tim, you watched.
Seriously, you're fucking insane.
I know you fucking won't help me cry. You sat there while they pinned me down.
Will you leave, or will you carry on? Is your love from before still strong? If you leave, will you keep the memory?
How is this possible? Tell them I want to talk to them, Mom! Tell them I want to talk to them!
You don't have to hurt, you don't have to hurt anymore. With a little time, take a look and find what you're searching for. You are broken on the floor, and you're crying, crying.
I just need to know that you know what you did.
That we drank a lot. And we smoked a shit ton. Look, but so did you. Look, did you ever say no?
I was hysterically crying. I tried to push you guys off of me. I fucking bled. Tim! Tim, don't do this. Tim, please.